Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this some slime a better slime. So as you can see, this slime is pretty boring. It is pink and it has some glitter, but it doesn't have enough glitter and enough food coloring. So I am going to be combining and turning the slime into a better slime. At the end, I'm going to be comparing the slime before and the slime after. So I'm going to, put a piece of the slime right now, right here, and I'm going to put it aside. So I'm putting that aside, and we're going to work with this one. So we're going to first do something very special. And I'm going to wait for everybody to grab my attention. So I'm going to wait a few seconds. Alright, now that everybody is hearing me, I have to say that I've been having a lot of trouble using the slime. So I needed to, activate the slime a lot. Every single day I have to activate the slime. So you can see the slime, and right now it's boring. So first thing, some shaving cream. I'm using that. So we're gonna add some shaving cream. I think that was pretty much a lot. So now you're gonna grab some glitter. Actually, before the glitter, you're gonna grab some food coloring. Well, it's not food coloring, but it is paint. It is dye. So I am gonna say that I just spilled some, but that's okay, I can pick that up. Picking that up. Putting that inside. Yeah, I tried my best. So now you see that you have that. You are gonna add some glitter, and then you're gonna wanna mix, but I personally don't have a mixing tool with me. So I decided that I'm gonna be using a pen. Sorry if you got disturbed right now, but I'm gonna have to use a pen. So it feels like if I'm making slime. I'm gonna touch it with my hands now. It was a boring color. I think now that I added the food dye, it is going to get into a much better color. Right now it's really stringy, and that is a sign that it's getting better. I'm adding shaving cream because I want this slime to be really good. And sorry if I'm not showing you. I'm really not into this thing showing you. So yeah. I'm going to pause the camera and I'm going to show you guys, when I am already ready. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes and I cleaned my hands and everything, and it is already kneaded. So this is how it turned out. Definitely a really better texture. It is really stretchy and it is really fluffy. So I am gonna put a lot more shaving cream in there. So I am going to knead it a little bit. So I'm going to stop this camera again because I know this is kind of boring for you guys. And I'm going to have to wash my hands again and do all those stuff again. So I'll see you in another 10 minutes. So yeah. So it has been officially another 10 minutes and I cleared it out a little bit so you guys can see the slime. I did wash my hands again and I did add more shaving cream. So that was that slime. Now I'm going to add it to the bowl. And this time I'm going to add some more of a food dye. But now instead of pink, it's going to be purple. Definitely see the reason why. So here's the purple and I'm going to mix. Yeah, and I again am gonna stop the camera because yeah, this is actually kind of disturbing and you guys are gonna get bored from just, you know, mixing until it gets purple. So I am gonna stop the camera and I am actually gonna eat lunch. So this can actually be easier. But I'm only gonna show you one more thing. I'm gonna be adding more food dye. That is all I'm gonna show you guys. And then I'm gonna stop the camera. And the reason why I'm gonna stop the camera, you know why is that I know you guys are gonna be getting bored. So I don't want you guys to be getting bored from just seeing me mixing until a long time, because this actually turns purple, I'm guessing, in like a few minutes. And I don't want to be repeating the same steps all over again. And so I'm just, trying to do that. So you guys do not get bored and comment, stuff that actually makes me feel like, I don't know, like saying like, oh, this is boring. Yep. So you guys are gonna have to wait another 10 minutes because I am gonna be eating and the slime is going to be getting purple in like a minute. So I will stop the camera right in a second. I am just fixing something that just dripped some water, but I am right now cleaning that water. But while I'm cleaning this water, I just have to mention, don't be afraid to comment down below anything, like if you want me to do more videos and everything. I will be doing more videos soon. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the camera right now. Let's go. After about 20 minutes, I did get the final result of the slime, of the color. It didn't turn like as dark, and I did wash my hands because that took forever. I even had to add like a bunch more food dye. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the slime needs a little more purple. So I'm gonna be repeating this step. I am gonna be adding more of the food coloring because it is kind of boring. So I'm gonna add more food dye. So I'm gonna just mix in the camera. But yeah, once again, see you guys in a few minutes, not a lot. So see you. Alright, a few minutes has passed one more time, and I did clean the floor. So yeah, and this is the slime result. I think it's now pretty dark and better. So this time, now, this is the fun part. We're going to be adding a bunch of glitter. So I'm going to be adding this color glitter, and I'm like, why don't I add that glitter? So, oh god. By the way, I'm touching the old rose gold slime, which I miss. Whoa, that is so much glitter. I'm actually adding all of my glitter to this slime, by the way. No more glitter. Next glitter is this silver glitter. I'm gonna be adding in it. So, and lastly, wait, actually not lastly, I am gonna add white glitter. The white glitter doesn't really show that much, but it is pouring. Did that quick. I still see some silver glitter, but whatever. I think it might be the last one. Some gold glitter. And actually, lastly, some blue glitter. So, oh. That blue glitter just covered it all up, like, so yeah. So that is the thing. So I'm gonna grab my little pen, and I am going to mix this. Whoa, guys, this is the funnest, like, part. Wow, that already just, when you touch it, it feels like glory. It already feels amazing. I feel like it does need a lot more glitter, because if it had a lot more glitter, it would be way better. So, that's how the slime turned out to be. So I did feel like we should be adding more glitter, so I am going to be adding more glitter, and I'm going to finish the step by doing it really fast. So, yeah. All right. Next one. I'm adding all of the glitter that there's left because there's barely nothing left. Look at all of these glitters. I literally just wasted them all. But now, instead of the spoon, that legitimately feels amazing. Like dipping the glitter, that feels amazing. That's like the most amazing part. So yeah, here's the slime result. And I'm going to be comparing right now the slime. So here's the slime that we just made. And here's the slime that... And the comparison is that this one feels a lot more better. It's stretchy. I mean, like, it is not stretchier, but this one's colder. This one's less of the glitter. So now we're gonna just be mixing it now. With the bottom and the top. I think it's gonna be pink again, but I am gonna make sure that is not pink. I think it's actually not gonna turn pink instead. It is not gonna turn pink, yay! It's purple and it's not pink. Putting it in, there's actually more glitter inside. A lot more glitter. Yep. But yeah, it turned into a lavender color. And I called it bubblegum pink slime. Dang it, now I have to change bubblegum purple. But anyways, thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment down below which video do you want me to be doing next. Bye guys.